Hello everyone, it's me, CR. I'm back and it's another exciting week of grow. Welcome to my 2026 summer growing season. It's the next grow. We're going to be growing Prairie State Genetics from Justin Lehman, the breeder. He's the real deal, he's the real dude. We're going to be growing some of his seeds. I haven't decided whether I want to grow another brand, but for sure we are going to be growing some of his excellent seeds. This is a special box he sent to me, 3 of 50 as you can see, Prairie State bound. We're going to do an unboxing of this baby and see what we got going on. And there's the real deal man right there himself, Justin. Has conquered a lot in his life and has made a great business and a real solid dude. So this is from Prairie State Genetics. You know what to do. Can't say too much because I don't want YouTube to mess me up with my stuff. So you know what to do. But let's go ahead. We'll get started and we're going to do an unboxing and see what kind of seeds we've got. And then eventually I'm going to determine what seeds I want to grow, and it's going to be awesome. And so stick around if you're interested in growing and appreciate excellent genetics. You at the right place right here. Prairie State Genetics, that's how it's done. We'll be right back and we'll get this unboxing started. We're gonna get this boxing unopening done. Before we do that, let's talk a bit about Justin and the company. Small business, he's growing and growing and growing. It used to be a small business, now it's getting bigger. Started working, doing his stuff in Central Illinois. That's the name for Prairie State. Used to be a different thing. Started out as Prairie State Genetics, then it's PSGXWORLD. But he has grown and developed, and now he's posting stuff in Europe, doing some stuff overseas, plus here in America. And I can tell you personally, I've grown his seeds for quite a while now, and every strain that I grow comes out awesome. Because he is concerned about genetics, and it's in the name, but it's also part of the company. He's concerned about getting the right genetics. So without further ado, we might as well unbox this baby and see what we got. Once again, this is a 3 of 50, so I'm very privileged that he was willing to send me this box, and now I'm excited to see what we got. Ooh, I love a good unboxing. Look at this shit. Yeah, I like unboxing now. Come on now. Beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. Love the packaging. Love the labeling. Very awesome. Yeah, this whole video is just going to be about this. That's all. We'll have other videos where I'll identify which seeds I'm going to grow, and then all that other stuff. So keep watching for sure. So let's pull. Now that you see that, that's beautiful. I'm gonna pull back. I'm gonna slide up, whoop, and let's go ahead and drop these babies down. And then what we'll do is we'll go over each one of them individually. And it's you and me are seeing this for the first time together. This box has not been opened. It's the first time. I'm really excited about it. So it looks like we have organic small batch series. Love the organic stuff. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in this. As you can see, there's 5 of them there. And let's go over each one of them now individually, I suppose. Trying to bounce around. Let's see what we got. I can't wait. This is going to be good stuff. So the first one. Let's zoom in on it. YouTube, I ain't trying to tell people to buy drugs. If it's illegal in your state, I ain't condoning it. Or your country. But here in Illinois, we can do this, so we good. So this is a feminized, and these are all feminized seed. I should have said that, but I did not, but that's okay. So this is called Phoebe Gates. Heaven's Gate, number 20, and Tropical Blood reversed. As you can see right there. Let's look at the back side. So Beautiful package. That's the Phoebe Gates. I'll get it right. Like I said, I'm just looking at it for the first time with you, so I'm still figuring it out myself. Awesome stuff. I can tell you, the names, you can call it whatever you want. I know what we got going on here. So, it's all good. This is Orange Chicken Swan. Unicorn Sherbet and Tropical Blood Reversed. I will say it's hard for me to read that a little bit, but that's because I ain't good at it, right? Figuring out shit like that, especially different fonts. I'll get it right though. And then here's the third one. This is called GSH, Glitter Bomb and Tropical Blood Reverse. So it looks to me like, based on this, these are all hybrids with Tropical Blood. I ain't hating that at all, bro. I ain't hating that at all. We got Man God, Stefan, Eureka, Stefan, I'm sorry if I get this wrong. Stefan Uriquel and Tropical Blood. Stefan, I think that's Stefan. I apologize if I got the name wrong. Like I said, I ain't all perfect when it comes to that kind of stuff, but we good. And last but not least, this is Spellbound, and this is pure Aphrodite and Tropical Blood. Purple. Shit, I can't read, guys. Purple Aphrodite. I'm probably going to have to grow this one. I like the purple stuff, if you know what I'm saying. So, but we'll figure that out. So, here's all of them. And how many seeds see we got? Organic small batch. And there's 3 seeds in each. That's what the X stands for right here. I believe. 1, 2, 3, yeah, I think so. So there's 3 seeds in each one of these, which is more than enough for what I need to do. Because I'm only going to grow. I had such a good yield last grow. If you didn't see that, go back and check that out. I'm going to zoom this out. Go back and check out my spring grow. I grew trees, bro. And I'm happy about it. It's all for myself and my dad. We're both medical cannabis users. He uses his medical cannabis for anxiety and depression and pain, as well as I do. Guess what? I got it from him. Genetics and shit, right? But anyway, had a pretty big last grow using Autopots for the first time, and using AC Infinity to control my growing environment. Check out the code. You know what I'm saying. Help me out with my channels and all my groups and all my stuffs. I appreciate it. So I had such a big yield last grow that I'm only going to grow a smaller yield this time. I don't need as many plants. You know, first time when you grow something, that's how it happens. But now that I'm more experienced with the setup and the system, I'm going to tweak it a little bit. But we're going to be hitting this. Definitely, we're going to be hitting some of these. And I can't wait to show you what we got going on. So you make sure you guys keep watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, share, follow, all that good stuff. Especially subscribe, because those numbers are important for my sponsors to know that people give a shit about what I'm doing. And I hope you guys give a shit about what I'm doing, because this is an educational channel, and all my channels off social media. This will be on all of them in certain levels. And my job here is to help you all grow epic plants. And I'm not joking. We can do it together. I can help you if you've never done it. And even if you have some experience and you're looking for a second opinion or some advice, I'm the guy to come to. Been doing it for a long time. As we can see right here, started in 2020, as it says in the shirt right there. So we're on year 6 of growing. And I'll be honest with you, my first grow was actually in college. Access to the medicine was very difficult. So I thought, hey, I'll grow some myself, not knowing a damn thing about growing. That was basically my second ever grow. My first grow was outside and someone stole that, so I never got to do anything with that one. But the indoor, that was my first one, and it was crappy. But you know, you live, you learn, you keep growing, you get better. Not every grow is going to be perfect, and y'all need to know that. Not every grow is going to be perfect. You deal with what you can deal with. And I'm going to tell you right now, A lot of the people on YouTube and on the YouTube, how old am I? Bro, shit. On YouTube and other social medias, it's really easy to edit out all the bad stuff, so all your stuff looks fucking amazing, with no problems, and everything's perfect. That ain't how real growing works. Sorry, just ain't how it works. And if you're one of those guys that is everything's perfect, I'd beg to differ on some of it. I'm telling you right now. Even the commercial guys still have issues. Now you can get closer to perfection, but never 100%. Too many factors. Anyway, I'm babbling because I'm medicated, and I'm educated, and I love doing what I do. Thank you, Justin Lehman, for sending this to me. I didn't even know he was going to send it to me. He just out of the blue was like, hey man, why don't you throw some of these beans in there and check it out? And I'm like, yes, please, because he's a real deal. These genetics are real. And I'm gonna talk a little more. I'm in the mood, man. I'm in the mood, and I apologize if the video goes a little longer, but I'm gonna just say right now, before I started with it, this is some real stuff, Justin. Hopefully you see this. I don't know if you do or not, but whatever. But when I first started growing, I did not grow Prairie State Genetics. In 2020, I was not growing Prairie State Genetics. PSGX was not growing that. I was growing, other. I don't even want to say the others because it ain't fair to PSGX. But I was growing some other brands, we'll say, that I knew about, from the scene. And they did all right, did pretty good. And then I heard some rumors about these seeds early on. That there's this dude, man, and he's intense, and you need to check out the seeds. And then so got a hold of him, and we got working together, and bing bang boom, he sent me some seeds, and I started growing. And the purples, I'm talking the purples, the phenomes. You go back and look at my previous videos, or clips, if you will, you'll see what I'm talking about from previous years. But if you are interested and you would like to see some older videos, I have to clean them up to comply with YouTube's policies, if you know what I'm saying. But I will do that, and I'll spend the time and effort to show you some of the epic stuff that I've grown in the past from Prairie State Genetics, because I'm telling you right now, it never disappoints, always satisfies, always. Alright, enough of babbling about it. This has been an unboxing, talking a little bit, but I don't care. I enjoy this stuff. Thanks to Prairie State Genetics, PSGX.world, for supporting me and sponsoring me, obviously. Keep watching this grow season. We are going to grow some epic plants. They're going to be great, and I can't wait. The next video, we're going to talk about what seeds I'm going to grow. I'm going to pick out what I want to do, and just keep that process going. So for you that haven't grown before, this is the beginning, and this is your notice. Hey, we're going to start growing, and keep watching, because we're going to figure this out together. Thank you guys so much. Check out my sponsors. Support me in all that you can. Can't say too much because of YouTube again. On the other channels, it don't matter so much, but on YouTube, they're real picky. I don't know why. Just the way they are. What else we got? I think that's pretty much it. Thank you guys. See you on the next video. This is CR. And as I always say, what do I always say? Happy smoking.